Hey guys. So, about 50 days ago, I made a decision to start walking every single day. Not because I felt strong, but because I was tired of inflammation running my life. Now, obviously, I didn't know that that was the issue. My back was hurting, my energy was low, my motivation wasn't there, but I made one decision. I said, you know what? I'm going to go to the chiropractor and I am going to walk away inflammation. And today I'm still walking. Some days it was just 10,000 steps. On the weekend, all I committed to doing was 9,000 steps. And then some days I was walking 10,000 steps very late at night. Some days it was walking in pain. Some days it was walking just to check the box. But consistency has definitely changed me. Not overnight, not dramatically. And guess what? Visibly, this has been the best decision I could have made for myself, restarting over again. And if you're over 40 and you're like me, trying to rebuild your body, your energy, and or your life, let this be your reminder. Progress starts when you show up. This is evidence, guys. We are beginning again.